Welcome back to Queen Lima Beans. How are you guys doing tonight? Oh, as usual, I just got home from school not too long ago. I do schooling at my job. I stay at work after work to do classes online basically because it's just easier for me, and I get to do homework there and I can concentrate, no one's there, and I'm able just to have a quiet place and not get distracted and do what I need to do as far as homework and class. But I got home not too long ago, maybe about an hour ago, and I had to get ready to do this mukbang for you guys. So today I have a huge lobster tail, huge. And I have 2 king Alaskan crab legs. I have some tiger shrimp here, corn, peppers, limes, carrots, celery, limes, and I have my sauce. That's Queen Lima Bean sauce. I'm tired as I don't know what tonight, guys, but I said I was gonna come on here, and I'm not gonna do too much talking tonight because I'm hungry, and I'm tired, and I want to do this video, and I want to go to bed, but I wanted to come over here. I wanted to come here and engage with you guys tonight, and I wanted to eat my seafood, and I just thought you guys would have a great time watching me eat it. I want to talk about I don't know, maybe I should save that subject for later because I'm tired and I don't think my brain is working that well right now. So I'm gonna just not have a subject today. I want to eat and I'll talk along the way, I guess. I'm gonna eat some of this good corn. Look at that. It's hot. You see them sting? You see that sting? Woo. It's really good. Did you see that juice pop out of there? Dance when it's good. Dance when it's good. Hey. Okay. Yes. Squeeze the lime on there, baby. I love lime on mine. I prefer lime than lemon. I didn't even let y'all see it. I was so greedy. I'm hungry and I'm tired. Okay, I'm gonna let you see it this time. Look at that. Look at that. Drip right on my finger. Spicy. It's something about the shell of the shrimp and there's so much flavor. And as usual, I didn't get a bag. Nice, Lima. That's okay. I'll just put it to the side and clean the table off later. Look at that. It's still hot. Can you see the steam? I look tired too. Oh, I do. Yeah, I look really tired. It's all good. I'm making this video for you guys. That's what I'm doing. I appreciate everyone who watches me. And I want you guys to subscribe, like, comment, get your notifications, tell your friends and family, co-workers, associates. Follow Queen Lima Beans. I'm pretty cool. I think I am, at least. Carrot. So as you guys know, I said I was going to do a 60-day no carbs. No carbs here, no potatoes. So, I mean, all of this is really carbs, but starch. So, I don't know what I want to eat next. I think I want to go for the big boys. Watch out for the big boys. Watch out for the big boys. Hey, look at that. I ain't do no thumbnail, but it's all good. Look how big that thing is. It ain't as big as they used to be, though. They look kind of small today, but it's okay. It'll do. Usually they're bigger than this. Costco, you gotta do better, babies. You gotta do better. Get that off there. Savage. Ooh, that's a big piece of fat just sticking out there waiting to get on my nerves. Get away from there. Let's split it on up the middle. Or the side, rather. I'm gonna go on this side. I love crabs. They so good to me. Let's see how much meat we getting up out of here. This was a fat crab, I see. Look at that. Look at that. It's nice though. Nice. Ow. But look at all that fat though. Ugh. Let me get that off of there. That is so unattractive. So unattractive. Let's get that. Ugh. I don't like that. I don't eat that. I think we got it all. Wait a minute. Let me get this over here. Ugh. Gross. Okay. Look at that. Look how big that is. I'm used to them being a little bigger, but it's nice. It's still pretty big. It's like, look. It's like part of my face over here. I'm silly. I'm tired. Anyway, so I might give you guys a bite of this. It's possible. It's possible. Let me see. I got plenty over here. I guess I'll share today. Let's not drip it everywhere. Here you go. There you go. Delicious. I think a potato would have been great with this, but I'm doing no carbs. Behave yourself, Lima. No starches. That's good. So excited right now. That's me moving my feet if you hear something. Excited. Look at that sauce. You guys better get ready to purchase that sauce. It's pretty good. Let me rephrase that. It's daggone good. The flavors in my mouth right now. The flavors in my mouth. I'm just so happy right now. Ooh, that lime went the wrong way. And you guys, oh my God, so good. Hey. I got a little happy. I probably should get a napkin, huh? Okay. Give me one of these scrimps. Yep, I said scrimps. I'm just peeping out the plate over here. Seriously. I'm hungry. I'm just really hungry. And I keep squeezing the lime all over my freaking hand. Instead of the shrimp, look at that. Look at that shrimp. It's lovely, isn't it? Turn her this way. I like her better that way. She look a little better that way. That's how you know when I'm sleepy. When I'm almost exhausted. I'm silly. I think I'm silly all the time, though. I'm in denial. I'm telling y'all, that skin be having some flavors. Or shell, whatever you want to call it. Good. It's good. I'm tired. I can see oil in my eyes. That's so good. I mean, reach under here, get me a celery. Yes. It's celery and it's good. My sauce tastes good with just about anything. I'm serious. You guys will see when I don't know what I want to eat over here. I'm tired and I'm hungry. You guys will see when I put it on the market. You're going to love it. I'm going to also try to make a low fat one too. I'm gonna work on that as well. With not as much butter in it, you know. I want to do that. The knuckle, I believe that's what they call it, have some great meat in it. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Look at that big, thick piece of meat. That's the... Okay, I'm going to talk about the regular crabs, but this is how much you get out of them after you pick them for like 20 minutes. You get this little piece of meat. Okay. I just dissed the regular crab. I sure did. Some people love that though. People love whole crabs. I can't fade it. I don't want to pick through any nastiness to get to a little bit of meat. I'm good. I'd rather pay a little more. Oh man, I dropped some crab in there. I don't know where it went, but anyway, it'll get eaten. But I'd rather pay a little more with crabs than to dig through little pieces of crab. I can't fade it. No, no, no. Oh, I dropped it. I dropped it. I got it. I got it. That was a shell. Okay. Well, since I don't understand why this lime want to go everywhere but except for inside of the freaking spoon. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna eat. Should I bring the camera closer? Maybe I should come closer. Move up a little bit. Move up a little bit. Is that better? I'm like, where's my napkins? I don't eat that fat. That's fat. Oh, you see that? That's fat. Ugh. No, thank you. I'm so not interested in that. Excuse me. I'm burping like a little pig over here. Like a little swine. Okay. Here we go with this crazy lime squirting everywhere where it needs to squirt. Let me squirt it that way. It was more successful. I'm telling you, these crabs, good. What was that, the Campbell's commercial? Oh, got a cauliflower in here. Yes, I got all types of vegetables in here. I sure do, and I'm going to dip them all in my sauce because my sauce make them taste even better. Even better. Okay. Look at that. Oh, I don't even know how to hold it up so you can see it. Okay, I told you I'm half crazy. I'm tired. That's good. So comment below if you think comment below if you think I should edit my videos. I'm probably not gonna listen, but I would love to hear your opinion. I just wanna do videos, have fun, eat, occasionally make you guys laugh. I don't want to go through the whole edit. But I did say I want to have some different backgrounds behind me. I want to do that. I do want to do that. I want to have some different backgrounds behind me. I like the little red tags, subscribe, follow, like. I want to do that too, but I don't want to do like things like editing out parts that I don't like of a video. I don't want to do that. I don't mind adding to the video. It's still editing still, but I don't want to cut out anything that I've done in the video as far as personal, me talking or whatever. If I slip up on some words or don't say something right, make an ugly face, so let it be. Love Queen Lima Bean for her sizzle. I found a piece of crab that I was looking for in the sauce. That piece of crab that I dropped that I couldn't find, I just found it. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. I notice a lot of people who eat crab legs don't like to eat this part of the crab. They put it to the side because it doesn't have that meaty meat in it. Meaty meat in it. That was hilarious. But it's not like the rest of the crab. I get it. Me, I'm gonna eat all of it. Every last bit of it. Every last bit of it. Ooh, excuse me. I'm turning real silly. I'm tired. That's all right, guys. You caught Queen Lima Beans when she tired and she's silly. And hungry. I'm focused. It's like 23 after. 23 after. Oh, yeah, you tired. I've been on here for 23 minutes. That's what I meant to say. Sheesh. Look at this daggone line. I'm just going to keep doing what it do. Oh, that's a piece of fat. Get that off of there. Get it up off of there. I don't eat no fat. Get it off. I'm probably about to sign out in a minute, guys. Oh. I'm not going to do any of that. I don't like to struggle. I just want to eat and enjoy. No struggling, no struggling. I lost my freaking purple scissors and I'm so upset. I don't know what I did with them. I think I threw them away. I really do. I love those scissors. I think I actually threw them away when I was eating seafood out of a bowl, and I probably had all shells in the freaking bowl and just dumped it in the trash. Genius. Genius, genius, genius. That was all fat, yucky. But this ain't, look at that. That's a nice meaty piece. Hey. Okay. I think B-Love had, she was on to someone. She said, you talk too much, you get full. Mm-hmm. I forgot about the lobster, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the big pieces of lobster. Look at that. Look at the palm of my hand. Look at it. Ah! I'm so excited. I forgot about the lobster. See? I'm tired. I forgot about the daggone lobster. It's amazing. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I forgot I was on camera. Lobster tail is so good, guys. So good. And I still got a half a piece right here. This thing is huge. Look at this meat. Look. Look at this big piece of lobster. Oh my God, look at that. Oh. Look at that. Ooh. Excited. Okay. Oh my God, look how beautiful it is inside. Look at that. Oh my God, how white it is. Oh, I perfectly cooked this. I perfectly cooked this. It's so soft. I wish you guys could eat some of it. It's like heaven. Okay, it's about to be 30 minutes. I'm about to get off here, y'all. Finish eating my food. I'm tired. I want to lay down and eat this food, but I'm not, because that would defeat my whole purpose of not eating carbs. If I lay down on this, you might as well have some carbs. Lay down and eat. That's the worst thing you could do. Talking about fat. Okay, guys. I'm talking out the side of my neck right now. I'm really, 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 really tired tonight. I am. But these are the things that I do for my Queen Lima beans. Yes, y'all, my Queen Lima beans. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, make sure you get your notifications, and comment and share, please. Follow me on Facebook as well. It's Eat and Cook with Queen Lima Beans. You can also see me cook there, get recipes, and eat. And for anybody who wants to join a food support group, please follow No Crabs in a Barrel. We support you there, me and my significant other. We support you there, and anything you want to do as far as food wise, you want to support your food, you want to sell your food, you want to advertise your food, whatever you want to do, we're going to support you there. I have not thought about my positive quote for the night, so I'm going to go off the top of my head because I don't have anything. I'm tired. And the only thing I can think about is life right now. Live each and every day as if there is no tomorrow. Enjoy your life. You only got one. Live it how you want to live it, not how someone else wants you to live it. I thank you guys for following. That was my positive quote for the night. And you already know what time it is. Queen Lima Beans is out of here.